When I first got here, I thought, it's just 3 miles. No big deal, right? The hill didn't even look that bad from where I was looking. The hike literally just started. I'm already out of breath. But once I started, those 3 miles felt like a lifetime. I was out of breath, tired, and honestly questioning why I even thought this was a good idea. But that's the thing about hikes and life, really. Doesn't it make you feel connected to nature more? Or like literally just forget about everything else? It always feels harder when you're in it, and somehow you still keep going. This is more steep. Like you can probably tell I'm out of breath, but it's still easier to climb than the gravel one. Some C4 so I get all the energy for going up the mountain. Wish me luck. So the hike literally just started. It's been like 8 minutes. I'm already out of breath. What? Hope I'm able to make it and do the whole thing. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. So, thank God I decided to take my jacket off in the car because I'm sweating already. And if I was wearing my jacket, ugh, I don't know if I'd be able to do this. It's so hot. I take like 10 steps and I get tired already. What is happening? I think because it's so steep. That's probably why I'm getting like super tired. Literally can't even talk. We have just been coming up the hill for like 22 minutes, but it's been a steep hike up until now, at least, and that's why I'm so out of breath. It's only been like half a mile and 329 feet of elevation gain, but I am so thankful they have these benches here so I can just rest up, get my energy back, and then head over again. So thankful for these benches. Time for some sunscreen. It is so important to protect your skin from the sun. And moving on to the second most important part is bug spray. I cannot go anywhere outdoors for hiking, camping without the bug spray. Absolutely need it. So just gonna spray myself everywhere for this. Just gonna finish the banana and then we should probably head back on the trail. weird. Right now it's like this gravel road, but I liked the little bit part that was like in the jungle, and it was very muddy and with stones and stuff, but I'm not really a fan of this one. I would prefer that one. It didn't seem very hard as compared to this. Good news, we've reached the peak! Yeah, but like if you stand here and you look at everything, it just seems like we're at the peak. Shit, look at that! Oh my god. It's so beautiful. I was saying, this is like a nice picnic area. They have picnic table and everything. That's it. When we used to go trekking in India when I was little, this is how the trail is. So at least in Himachal we were taught to like put your feet this way so you don't fall. Doesn't it make you feel connected to nature more? Or like literally just forget about everything else? Like the entire time we've been doing this, have you thought about work even one time?
No.
I have not. Like it hasn't even crossed my mind. And that says something because I'm always thinking about work. This is more steep. Like you can probably tell I'm out of breath, but it's still easier to climb than the gravel one. When you find a rock like this, that means it's rest time. Reached the peak. I had to just not do anything for a bit because I was out of breath and my heartbeat was about 184. I had to bring it down before I could talk. But we are at 1800 elevation and we gained about 1,000 foot of elevation, which is really good. So it is such a reward coming up the top like all that hard work walking up, like when you actually get on the top, it's so worth it. There's two ways I can take. One is the gravel one that is a little harder and goes around. And then there's this one, which is a shortcut. And since I'm a tough guy, I'm gonna take the shortcut. I'm not a hiker at all. And I am not even an outdoor person. I like cities, I like museums, I like those type of things, I like malls. So getting myself out somewhere like this is bringing myself outside of my comfort zone. And I think that's exactly where growth happens. So this would be my advice to everybody watching. Do something that is a little bit out of your comfort zone, and you will see your potential. So to be honest with you, this hike was hard for me, at least the last bit when we were climbing. It was pretty hard. Like, I was so out of breath. And, you know, at times I thought, I was like, you know, am I going to be able to do this? And to be honest with you, if you are determined and if you keep going, not just while hiking, and I'm talking about like in life, if you just keep going no matter how hard things are, you are going to reach that peak. Made it down the hill. Yay! In the parking lot now. Gonna go to the car and then I'll talk to you guys. Alrighty! I just made it down in the car now. So this hike is called Pinnacle Peak Loop. It was 3.3 miles total distance. We gained an elevation of 1,066 feet. The total time that it took us was 3 hours and 20 minutes, and that's because we were stopping a bunch of times, taking videos, but it was so much fun. Also, this includes when we were up at the top, just enjoying the view. It was perfect. We took our time during the entire hike, and I think that's just the best way to do it. Like, if you're challenging yourself to do it as fast as you can, or if you have something going on and you just kind of want to get exercise, I guess that's fun. You can do it. slowly, but I liked taking my time. But otherwise, the moving time was 2 hours and 9 minutes. I know this could be better. And I burned 1,124 calories. Oh my gosh. I feel like I wouldn't have even burned that much calories if I was at the gym. So, that's a lot. I am so happy. Alright, so if you guys like my video, please definitely subscribe and give it a thumbs up. I will see you next time. Bye.